Every morning, Supergirl would wake up with a smile, ready to spread joy and help make the world worthwhile. She flew out of her bedroom, her cape streaming behind, to fight off the bad guys, and her challenges she'd find. The city was bustling, cars were honking, and beeps. But Supergirl was focused, her eyes filled with peaks. She soared through the sky, a sight to behold. A shining superhero, her purpose unfolded. First, she visited the playground, where children were playing, making sure everyone was safe, no harm to be slaying. Then she went to the bakery, where the scent of fresh bread made her tummy rumble, and she gave a little nod. "Good morning, baker," she called, with a cheerful wave. "I'll buy a dozen doughnuts, for my friends to save." With a handful of pastries, she then took to the air, heading for the park, to share a moment of care. Next, she went to the library, where the children were reading. The librarian gave her a nod, as she was always proceeding. "Hello, Supergirl," the children chorused, their faces filled with joy. It was a beautiful moment, pure. "Keep learning, keep growing," Supergirl said with a smile. "Your minds are amazing, and you're worthwhile." She stayed for a while, listening to their tales. Before taking off, the wind in her braids like veils. Lastly, she went to the hospital, where the sick were in bed. "Hello, dear patients," she said, compassionately spread. She talked to the nurses, and the doctors too. "How can I help? What can I do?" The hospital staff were grateful, and the patients too. "Thank you, Supergirl," they'd say, "you're a shining star to pursue." With a heart full of love, and a soul full of might, Supergirl flew off into the night. And as she soared through the sky, under the moon's gentle gaze, she thought about her day, of the smiles and awe she'd raised. "I'm just a Supergirl," she whispered, "but I'll always try to make the world a better place, under the evening sky." Good night, little readers, and remember this tale of Supergirl's shining day, and the lessons it'd unveil. Always be kind, always be true. And remember, you're super too.